Here's a specialty vehicle at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2007 Cadillac XLR-V. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. A little over 40,000 on this one is all. West Coast vehicle also. Let's take a look at the front grille, fascia. Of course, the 4.4 liter. Supercharged dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Cadillac wheels for this car. Drilled rotors up front, as you can see. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. It shows well. And remember, back in 2007, the base models of these were nearly $100,000. This car's a lot of bang for the buck anymore. Luxurious sports car. Of course, built at the Bowling Green plant, along with the Chevrolet Corvettes of the era. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the center dump exhaust. It also has the kind of 3M protective, clear, I guess, coating, for lack of a better word, on the rear bumper there, and also up in the front, I believe it was. We'll take a little closer look at that when we get around to the front again. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run. I'll put the retractable hardtop up so you can see how that works. If you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to take this car for a drive, take it down the road with the camera in it, so kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And also remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. So maybe you can't make you see this car due to time or distance, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys, and you can see the paint has a nice reflection in it. It does show well, especially considering age and black paint. I'm sure you can find an imperfection here or there, but overall, very nice looking car. Here's what I was talking about in the front with kind of the 3M or the protective clear on it. So you don't end up with a bunch of rock chips. And if you're into specialty cars, sports cars, classic cars, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You never know what you might see come through here. I know there's some pretty cool Zephyrs coming down the line through detail in our service department. Be able to check out. Of course, your modern amenities: power seats, power windows, locks. It has a memory seating, heated seats. Of course, steering wheel controls, navigation. Extremely loaded, but consider a $100,000 Cadillac from 2007. You have a lot of options on it. You'd have your dual climate control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out those exact miles. Should pop up here in a second. There it is, 44,405 is what it reads at this exact moment. Top of the dash looks good, and you can see that there were no check engine lights, service indicators, anything like that. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Just the seatbelt light flashing, since I don't have that on. It's like all the gauges are working correctly. And of course, again, nav and AM, FM, CD. Flip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice sounding car. Definitely fun cars to drive. Very nice handling. Alright, let's get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay, and then like I said, I'm going to show you the top going up and down. And we'll take this car for a drive at the very end of the video, so stick around. Let me pause this real quick so I can get the hood open. and we'll check out that engine bay. Alright, so hood stress working fine. Hood liner extremely clean. It doesn't look like this car's been driven in any sort of inclement weather, which doesn't surprise me. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, West Coast vehicle. There it is. A 4.4 liter supercharged dual overhead cam V8. Remember, paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. So looks as it should under there, sounds as it should. Let me pause this one more time, get somebody to help me out, and we'll show you this top going up and down. All right, got somebody to help me out so we can show you how this top works. Let's go ahead and put it up. You'll be able to see how everything folds and where it comes from. Very interesting operation. Whole roof panel sits in the back, along with the rear glass, side glass. And of course, you do have storage area in there, even with the top down. And there it is, completed, latched, and ready to roll with the top up. Now we're going to go ahead and reverse it and go back down the other way for you. Stay on this side so you can see it from this angle. Once it automatically rolls the windows down. And then opens up the storage compartment. Away we go. And completed. All right, so there you can see how it works. We're gonna end up putting it back up so I can do a little video and show you the condition of that too, and we'll get some still pictures with it up too. So hang on one last time. And here it is with the hard top up completely, side glass also. There's a light tint on there, so obviously know your local and state laws as far as the darkness of tint that you have on the side glass. But I haven't noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, glass rear window, rear defrost. Looks like it's what you'd expect. Considering the condition of this car, it is also in nice shape as far as the hardtop goes. 2007 Cadillac XLR-V, supercharged, clean Carfax. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2007 Cadillac XLR-V. Very nice car. When you want a Cadillac that handles like a Corvette. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which makes it an easy to drive car with lots of power and lots of creature features and amenities. Very good acceleration in this car. We have a heads-up display showing the speedometer on the windshield. All our gauges are working well. Oil pressure showing about 50. Tachometer working well. Factory radio. Sounds really good. All black. Black inside, black outside with these accents. Looking very nice. Handles like a Corvette, honestly. It grips the road nicely. Smooth ride on the highway. The center of these leather seats are suede. We have power lumbar, power adjustability. All the great features you'd be looking for. corners, excellent. Doesn't lean into corners much. Nice little rumble to that exhaust. Very comfortable, good visibility. What's not to like about this car? When you're looking for Corvette performance and luxury of a Cadillac, very nicely done. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.